So you just bought the WeCreat Lumos. You realize that it is a 3-inch adapter on the back and a 3-inch hose that comes with it, but the typical vent for a window is 4 inches. So you're wondering, how do I get from 3 inches to 4 inches there? And there is an easy, free solution now, thanks to John from the WeCreat users group. He's reached out to me once again, and he's been kind enough to do this kind of thing multiple times in the past for you guys. He has offered this free 3D print here. So if you have a 3D printer like I do here in the back, you can print this off for free. It is personal use. Please abide to that personal use here. Do not try to print this and sell this. Your shop will be taken down. I promise you it will. Just abide to the fact that it is personal use and just be thankful that he's giving this off as a free print here. Now, if you want one of these to purchase, he will probably sell these as a physical item. So if you want to purchase one from him, go ahead and feel free, but just don't use his personal use only files that he's kind enough to give out for free and try to sell any of these. Now with that said, he reached out to me, and then I kind of am like his little test dummy in this situation to make sure stuff works for you first, and it does work. So this is the little metal ring that comes with the unit right off the bat. You won't need this anymore. But what we did is we started with this little test ring here. We popped it on, and it was a little bit too tight. It could only get it to about there. And then we went ahead and expanded that a little bit, and it works really well with this. I can't get it to slide all the way on, but I don't think I want it to go all the way on because I want it to become on and off pretty easily. So what you do is you just slide that on and then give it a nice twist. And that is not coming off there. It is air sealed tight. And then you would just put your 4-inch exhaust duct work from here to your window to like a standard vent, like a dryer vent, for example. And that is an easy, free solution. Thanks to John. If you are interested in any of his past projects, I'll put some links down in the description below. I'll also put the free link that you can print your very own one of these off if you have a printer. Once again, for personal use only. And I know this was a very short video, but I wanted to keep it short and to the point and why you're here. If you guys are interested in any kind of laser engraving videos or just technology in general, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait to see you guys in the future.